Hello, today we are solving October 2022 IAL Unit 2 question number 6 part B, part B3, margin of safety in terms of sales revenue. So what is the margin of safety that needs to be there in the business? Okay, it should be a point above the break even point so that yours, so before it falls, okay, what is the amount of goods that could that needs to be sold, okay, well before, because if before it falls back to the break even point, so that you are in a safety bracket. Okay, that's the margin of safety. So margin of safety can be found, okay, it is a point a little above the break even point where you will actually get a profit. But if it falls back, okay, actual revenue minus the break even revenue will give you the margin of safety in the how much it can fall back from the actual revenue, okay, before it falls below the break even is calculated. One, sales revenue. So we have the actual sales revenue and we have the break even sales revenue. So before it falls back, okay, the actual revenue, how much can it fall back to the break even sales revenue will decide your margin of safety in the business. So this is usually used to understand or reorder your quantity of supply, okay, quantity of supply to be sold, or you will decide on the strategy to be implemented in the business so that you don't make a loss. So actual revenue, okay, we had calculated in the first part, it is 534,600. So it is 534,600 minus the break even sales revenue we had calculated here in the first part, it was 215,932. okay, 215,932 pounds. So that is going to be equal to so that is equal to 318,668. okay, 318,668 pounds.